And Lenny wins another one with a straight flush.
Better luck next time, pal.
I guess it's time for me to go. I don't even know what I'm still doing here anymore. I'm flat broke. I don't even have arms to hold my cards or my chips.
Well, I hate to see you go, pal. Put her there. Oh.
Ha. Well, anyway, guess I'll see you next week. Lady Luck has not been kind to me.
All right. I'll see you then. Bye. Another practically perfect game. Every round, every card, lined up in my favor. Not a single fold, not a single bust. To call it a winning streak would be an understatement. This was a massacre, a robbery, a complete and utter destruction of the hopes, dreams, and wallet of my competition. Some would call it dumb luck, but I call it skill. Those that stand against my poker-playing prowess are doomed to fail and take the walk of shame to bankruptcy.
Mind if I play?
Not at all. Step right up, challenger. Sucker. I can tell by his demeanor that this is a clear amateur stepping into the ring. It doesn't matter if I've never met you before. I'll get in that head of yours, no problem, and you won't win a single pot off me. Sorry to scare you away so soon, newcomer, but I have a reputation to uphold. Shall we? The 10 of diamonds and the king of spades. Nothing so far, but the opportunities are endless. It would seem my opponent has decided to not look at his cards. Either he's extremely confident, or he knows he's already lost. Well, if he's been watching, then I'd say it's the latter. Well then, let's build that confidence, shall we? Oh, jeez. Who knows at this point? I guess I'll only make it one chip this time. Ah, there's that confidence. I've got him right where I want him. I don't believe I've seen you here before. Are you new?
Yeah, this is my first time here. I don't play much.
Figures. A full house already? This game is as good as mine. Let's not scare away my prey, though. Check. What? Why would he do that? He hasn't even looked at his cards. Sure, there's a pair of 10s, but he doesn't seriously think he can beat me with a pair of 10s, does he? Well, I guess I'll stir the pot a little. Quite the game we have on our hands, eh? A bit risky for you to not check your cards, though.
Huh? Oh yeah. Let's see the turn.
Check. What is he playing at? There's something very wrong here. He's confident. Too confident. Does he somehow already know what his cards are? Is he cheating? Is this rigged against me? He must know something I don't. I mean, just look at that face. No, my hand is too good. There's no way he has anything on me. I don't believe him. You dog! You think I haven't realized what you're doing? You dolt! You dunce! You dunderhead! You've been playing me for a fool this whole time! I applaud you for that. But I shall not be tricked by your pitiful little scheme any longer. The results of this game were decided eons ago. My victory is as clear as the rising sun itself. This silly escapade of yours has slipped its way under my radar for long enough. I know what you are. You're a cheat, a hack. You think you can play me? Nobody plays me. I'm the king of this table, not you. All in.
Mercy. Let's see the final card. Gentlemen, show me your hands.
Beat that, you stupid little... What?
Hey, I won!
Wow, a royal flush. Who'd have thought? I guess I gotta call it a day after a loss like that. Well played. That was just dumb luck.